back to 20 car. The 2026 Hummer H1 Unofficial Concept roars into existence like a rolling fortress forged from modern steel and military heritage. Its exterior is unapologetically square, flat armor-like panels, massive wheel arches, and a stance so wide it dominates entire lanes. The matte graphite paint absorbs light, while LED battlefield-inspired headlights pierce the horizon. The front bumper houses a fully integrated winch and adaptive grille shutters for cooling and efficiency. Step inside, and the dashboard is a digital command center, two 15-inch panoramic displays stretching from driver to passenger, military-grade switches, and a heads-up holographic navigation array. The materials are a mix of ballistic nylon, recycled carbon fiber, and brushed titanium accents. In the rear cabin, passengers enjoy captain-style bucket seats with shock-absorbing mounts, individual climate zones, and an integrated survival kit neatly stored in a recessed compartment. Under the hood lies a hybrid electric powertrain, a twin-turbo V8 producing 650 horsepower, paired with dual electric motors for a combined 900 horsepower and torque figures approaching 1,200 Newton-meters. Despite its mass, it storms from 0-100 km height in 4.1 seconds, all while retaining 3-foot water-fording capability. Main competitors include the Resvani Hercules 6x6, GMC Hummer EV, and Ineos Grenadier Quartermaster, yet the H1's military bloodline keeps it in a league of its own. Projected price? Around $350,000, a sum that buys both indomitable presence and unmatched off-road dominance.